Hey guys, this is a quick little update on the Corsair H115i Elite Capellix. I got this used and right away it's been giving me issues. As you guys can see, I'm missing a lot of hardware. Supposedly I was supposed to get a commander core with this so I could use the 24 pin connector here. Did not get that. Did not get any of my mounting hardware to the motherboard for my AM4 bracket. Missing all the screws for the radiator to case and fan to radiator. And there's also a couple bent fins on this thing. So this is going to get returned. I'm going to get a brand new one. I may even step it up, see if I can get one with an LCD kit, because the only reason I got this was to eventually upgrade it to an LCD. Felt like it would be cheaper that way.